Shook, alag na ares. So for today's entry, curl lang ako ng hair. For today, finally, nakapagkulot na ako. After ilang beses ko siyang sabihin dito sa vlog pero hindi naman natutuloy. Tapos nagsuot lang ako ng cute top, then earrings, tapos some tinted lip balm from Sass Lady or Sassy Lady in the shade of 02. Tapos a ring, and ayun, wala na siya. Buti na lang may mga natural filter dun sa TikTok, so yun na lang ginamit ko. Kasi gusto ko lang talaga yung natural, yung tipong pag natanggal siya, masyadong pinagkaiba. This is so cute. Ito, ganito ko lang siya ginawa kasi medyo maluwag siya. I don't know if ganito talaga siya suotin. And kumikinang rin to. Pinatong ko lang siya sa dress ko kasi hindi naman yung kita. Cute. Tapos maganda to sa ito shorts or mini skirt. Ayan lang. So, want to vlog this para meron tayong new entry for our after 6. So, yeah. And by the way, I don't know if I'm gonna dress up for Halloween. Pero syempre, of course, dapat. Pero iniisip ko pa kung meron akong masuot. Then I'll just update you guys. If you're here, thank you for watching. I hope you will enjoy the vlog, the rest of the vlog. And I also want you to dress up. Kung gusto nyo, gawin nyo lang, guys. Ngayon na tinatamad pa ako, pero yan, nagawa ko na siya. Hindi ko na na-film. Dapat di ako mag-vlog, pero yan, para maging consistent and sipagin akong mag-vlog. Mag-vlog ako today. So, yeah. Peace in the drop. Peace in the drop. Cute ng slipper ko. It's a dress. So, ayan siya. Cute. Share ko lang. I don't know what to do to make it better. Mas maganda kasi kung may block yun dito. Gumamit lang ng tissue, tas ng glue, and then I'll just build it pagka meron akong naisip. But I still don't know. I'm still, kinda, I don't know. I'm still trying, experimenting. Let's see. Zombie. Ano siya? Tawag dito? Nerves. Parang puyat lang. Tapos I put, ano lang to, strawberry juice. Strawberry powder. Strawberry juice, saka powder. Strawberry powder. Tapos konting tubig. Mukha bang zombie or, nauubusan lang ng dugo. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung mga pwede kong gawin. I love Halloween. I don't know why. Made me excited.
Happy birthday! Hello.
Yay!
Kailangan tayo mag-finger, ma. Besang ko din yung cheese lang.
Ako. 10:25 a.m. and I will do my outro now. Kasi wala na akong ma-vlog. And kung hindi talaga ako dadaldal sa vlog na to, wala din talaga mangyayari kasi kaya kong hindi magsalita or nang walang kausap ng ilang araw. Like, pwede niyong bilangin yung words na magagamit ko sa isang araw. Depende na lang talaga kung kakausapin niya ako. Hindi pa ako makiga ng maayos kasi basa pa yung hair ko. And ano pa bang update? I've been rewatching the Stranger Things kasi di ba meron silang nirelease na 4 na episode for Stranger Season 5. Wait lang. Baka mahangin pala yung sound ng vlog. So, ayun. Tapos, ano ba? Ang ginawa ko this past few days. Nagpunta kami ng SM to buy some skincare. And all that. Tapos yun, hindi na rin ako nag-vlog. And then, ano ba? Wala na. That's it. Ngayon lang talaga, I've been watching K-dramas, Dear X, The Manipulated, American series, like Colorful, Was We Were Liars, and everything like that. Tulid lang naman yung nangyayari, kaya hindi na rin ako masyado nag-vlog. Just want to share that. And then, ano ba? Wala na. Yun lang talaga. So, I want to end this vlog na and then do my outro. So, I hope that you guys are having a good day. By the way, happy December. It's December 3. Tama ba? So yeah, I hope you're having a good day or night. God bless you everyone. Thank you so much for watching my Blackpink concert vlog. I really appreciate each one of you. So yeah, thank you for the love. Thank you again for watching. That will be the end of my entry for chapter 6. Have a good December, everyone. Thank you again so much for watching.